Hari Om children, today we are going to study continued part of numbers up to 1000. Let us start with the prayer. Om अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तमेन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. Last class we have studied how to write the place value of a digit in a number and expanded form of a number, is it not? So, what is mean by place value? What is mean by place value? The place value is the value of a digit in a number. The place value is the value of a digit in a number. I hope you have all have understood the concept well. Have you practiced the sums, children? Practice more sums to understand the concept better. Okay. Let us study first place value chart, children. What do you mean by place value chart? Place value chart is the chart where place value of a digit in a number is written. Okay. Now, let us see the examples what they have given in the textbook. See here, children, it is 64. 64. In 64, what is there in a ones place? Here 4 is there in a ones place, and what is there in a tens place? 6 is there in a tens place. So, we need to write 4 under ones place and 6 under tens place. The next number is 78. In 78, what is there in a ones place? 8 is there in a ones place. So, you need to write 8 under ones place, and in tens place what is there? 7. So, write 7 under tens place. Now, in 92, what is there in a ones place? 2 is there in a ones place, and 9 is there in a tens place. Now, let us move on to the exercise. Write the digits in the place value chart. See the first example what they have given, 62. In 62, what is there in a ones place? 2 is there in a ones place and 6 in tens place. Now, 32. In 32, what is there in a ones place? 2 is there in a ones place, and what is there in a tens place, children? 3 is there in a tens place. In 40, what is there in a ones place? 0. And what is there in a tens place? 4. In 52, what is there in a ones place? 2. And what is there in a tens place? 5. In 26, what is there in a ones place? 6 is there in a ones place. What is there in a tens place? 2. 2 is there in a tens place. In 85, what is there in a ones place? 5 is there in ones place, and in tens place this 8. In 67, what is there in a ones place? 7 is there in a ones place, and 6 is there in tens place. In 49, tell me now, what is there in a ones place, children? It is 9, and then in tens place it is 4. Next we will move on to the next column. Write the numerals formed by the digits. Here they have given the place value of the digit. You need to form a number. Okay, the place value of the digit they have given. You need to form a number. See here, 2 is there in a ones place and 9 is there in a tens place. So they have formed 92. The same way you need to form number by using these two digits. So what is there in a ones place now? It is 7. And what is there in a tens place? It is 3. Now the number is 37. Next number is, what is there in a ones place? Here it is 6. What is there in a tens place? It is 5. The number is 56. Then what is there in a ones place? 4. What is there in a tens place? It is 8. So the number is 84. What is there in a ones place? 8. What is there in a tens place? 7. So the number is 78. What is there in a ones place? 7. What is there in a tens place? 1. Now the number is 17. What is there in a ones place? 4. What is there in a tens place? It is 6. So the number is 64. Now what is there in a ones place? 9. What is there in a tens place? 8. The number is 89. Let's move on to the next topic, children. 100. How many ones are there in 110? How many ones are there in 110? See, count these blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many blocks are here? 10 blocks. So, 10 ones is equal to 110. So, 10 ones makes 110. In 110, how many ones will be there? 10 ones. 10 ones are there in 110. So, here see this picture, children. Here, how many tens will make 100? How many tens will make 100? See here, this is 110, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 tenths. 10 tenths makes 100. So 10 tenths makes 100. 10 tenths is equal to 100. 100 is equal to 10 tenths. In 100, how many tenths are there? 10 tenths are there. Okay. So in 100, what is there in a ones place? 0. What is there in a tens place? 0. In hundreds place, it is 1 in 100. Okay. So counting of hundreds in the same way. See here children, this is 100, this is 200, 200. So 200. Next is 300, 300. And then 400, 400. 500, 500. 600, 600. 700, 700. 800, 800. 900, 900. The next number will be, next 100 will be 1000. 1000. Okay. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and then 1000. Okay. All of you open page number 34 children. In page number 34, they have given fill in the boxes. Okay. There they have given the number and you need to write the place of the underlined digit. Place of the underlined digit in the number and place value of that particular digit. Place value of that particular digit for which they have underlined now. For that particular digit you need to write the place value. Okay. Shall we start? See the first example what they have given, 138. 138. Okay, practice the numbers also children. 138. So which digit they have underlined? Here it is 3. 3 is in which place? 3 is in tens place. So since 3 is in tens place, the place value of that particular digit is 3 into 10. 3 into 10, that is 30. Okay. Now the next number is 236. 236. So they have underlined for 2. 2 is in which place? Think no? 2 is in which place? 2 is in hundreds place. So the place of the underlined digit is hundreds and the place value of the underlined digit is 2 into 100. 2 into 100 is 200. Okay. The same way we need to solve all these problems. Okay. Now the next number is 462. 462. In 462 they have underlined for 4. So 4 is in which place children? 4 is in hundreds place. Four is in hundreds place. Right here 100 and in the next box write, what I have to write? Tell me. 4 into 100. 4 into 100, how much? 400. Understood? Now the next number is 558. So in 558 they have underlined for 5. So 5 is in which place? 5 is in hundreds place. Five is in hundreds place. Right here 100, and in the next box it is the place value of the underlined digit. So they have underlined for 5. So the place value is 5 into 100. 5 into 100, it is 500. 5 into 100 is equal to 500. The next number is 639. 639. So they have underlined for 3. 3 is in which place? 3 is in which place? 3 is in tens place. 3 is in tens place. Right here 10. Here 3 into how much? 10. 3 into 10. 3 into 10, it is 30. The next number is 169. In 169, they have underlined for 1. So 1 is in which place? 1 is in hundreds place. Right 100. Right here 100, and in this box what I have to write? 1 into 100 is equal to how much? 100. Now the next number is 718. In 718, they have underlined for 1. So 1 is in which place? 1 is in tens place. One is in tens place. So write 10 in this box, and here 1 into what? 1 into 10 is equal to 10. Now we will move on to the next problem. It is 247. 247. So what is there in a tens place here? 4. So they have underlined for 4. So 4 is there in a tens place. So I need to write here tens. Four is in tens place. Right here 10. Here 4 into 10 is equal to 40. 4 into 10 is equal to 40. Okay, understood children? How to write the place of the underlined digit and place value of that particular digit. Okay, and read this number from 201 to 300 and practice well in rough notebook children. Okay, 201 to 300, 201, 202, 203, 204, 205, like that you have to recite and then write. Okay children, today we will conclude this session. Okay, today what all we have learned? Today we have learned how to write a place value chart, counting hundreds, and then place value of an underlined digit. How to write a place value of an underlined digit. Okay children, in rough notebook you practice the sums and numbers 1 to 200. Okay, in rough notebook start writing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 like that till 200. Okay, Hari Om. Thank you.